Hi, I'm Brian King. I'm in Long Beach, California today for Porsche Palooza. Should be a great day. We have nothing but Porsches, sunshine, and water. What a great combination. Check this out, 1967 Porsche 912. This was Porsche's entry-level model back in 67, but this car is kind of special. It has the Targa top with the soft window in the back. They made about 500 of these. These cars are very rare, and this car looks gorgeous in red. Carroll Shelby wanted to be Ferrari at his own game. He wanted to be Ferrari at Le Mans. This is the car that did it, the GT40. You know why they call it a GT40? It's only 40 inches high. We are at beautiful Huntington Beach, California, right next to the ocean for cars and copters. Came across this. It's a Fiat. What's a Fiat doing on a Ferrari cruising? It's got a Ferrari engine. The only one like it. The Fiat Dino. I just showed you a Fiat Dino. This is a Ferrari Dino. Same 6-cylinder engine, same assembly line, different car. And these Ferraris are absolutely gorgeous. I'm in a very special car. Check out this bright red Koenigsegg Regara. It's a plug-in hybrid. Not your typical plug-in hybrid. 1,100 horsepower, top speed of 249 miles an hour. This thing is awesome. Well, this is a rocket ship. It looks really cool.
It's completely electric, and we're running at 1,200 horsepower currently.
That is nuts. Look what we have here, a Morgan three-wheeler. They've been making these for like 100 years. 2 wheels in the front, 1 wheel in the back. It's got a motorcycle V-twin engine. This thing is crazy. We saw some incredible cars. Every hypercar, every supercar you could possibly imagine in one place. I've never seen the kind of cars they had here. Just incredible.